Welcome to AppStarBrush. In this video, I will show you how to turn off AI on Google for desktop, laptop, or PC. Now, I have created a video on it already, but this method is perfect. It is the best. So if I search anything in Google, I see AI overview. To hide it, let's go to Chrome Web Store and search Hide AI Overview. There are many Chrome extensions to hide AI Overview. Let's pick this one, AI Hide. Remove Google AI Overviews. Add to Chrome, add extension, and that's it. If I search again, AI Overview is hidden. I can show it, I can hide it. And if I see settings for AI Hide extension, I have three options here: hide, minimize, off. Right now it is minimized. Off, do nothing. AI overview will show up. Minimize will be like this. And hide will completely remove AI overview from the search results. Okay, now this is a new tab in Chrome web browser. Let's search this and it brings us to google.com. No AI overview. Let's search something else. No AI overview. So this extension works. And there are other extensions as well. You can choose any extension. So this is an easy and best way to hide AI overviews from Google. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.